ये भी बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन है, बट आई थिंक पिछले साल से और इस साल में और आगे बढ़ते हुए भी आई थिंक और पहले भी था ऐसे बहुत सारा इंटरेक्शन था जो भी ओनर्स हैं और जो गवर्निंग काउंसिल है, जो कमिश्नर है, एंड क्योंकि नई चीज़ है तो इसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम्स काफ़ी सारी अनफोर्सीन वाली भी होनी थी जो हो रही हैं, बट स्लोली सब छटती जा रही हैं। आई थिंक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाइज एंड एवरी विच वे ठीक होता रहेगा। और बट अब हमारा सबका एक्चुअली एक जितने भी ओनर्स हैं 9 के 9 या 10 के थोड़े साल एक 8 महीना पहले नहीं, अभी ऑफिशियली वी आर स्टिल 9 मेंबर्स इन IPL and I think inshallah it will remain so also, but I think we all have a more active participation because we are also learning in the last 2-3 years. We've also figured out some local issues and everybody is bringing that to the front, and yeah, but to be on the board and stuff is a very big decision. I think that is an answer that I really cannot जो चैंपियंस लीग है उसके रूल्स अलग हैं और जो IPL है उसके रूल्स अलग हैं, दोनों डिफरेंट लीग्स हैं। और चैंपियंस लीग के अंदर सिर्फ वही प्लेयर्स खेल सकते हैं जो IPL में खेले हैं और वही टीम जा सकती है जो लास्ट 4 में आई है, और हम उसके अंदर ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते। चैंपियंस सुन ले फिर पूछेगा अगली पुलिस वाले, समझा देता हूँ, ये रूल है, समझना चाहिए। जो प्लेयर्स IPL में खेले थे वही टीम, वही 15 या 16 जो 4 टॉप टीम में आई है, हम उनको ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते चैंपियंस लीग में, उनको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, नए प्लेयर्स नहीं खरीद सकते। तो वो एक बाइंडिंग है कि वही 16 या 18 प्लेयर्स रहते हैं, 16 एक्चुअली वही प्लेयर्स शायद रहते हैं, राइट, 15 IPL के अंदर हम ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, इंजरी को चेंज कर सकते हैं और ऑप्शंस भी होते हैं। सो चैंपियंस लीग में क्योंकि सिर्फ 15 होते हैं, उसके अंदर एक साइड रूल है पहले से, सो इट्स नॉट अगेंस्ट द रूल्स। अगर अनअवेलेबिलिटी है द 7 नंबर ऑफ इंडियन प्लेयर्स की, सो यू कैन play a foreign player only till such time that the Indian player recovers from the injury. So I don't think there was anything besides the rule in this. And actually that's that is most important, that before we jump on to and make it into such a big thing, it's important that we certainly were taken aback by a one-sided decision. So we've had this for 4 years, Sohail, और एक्चुअली ऐसा मालूम नहीं पड़ता है, जैसा जूही ने कहा, वेंकी जो 1.5 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, जितने भी लोग हैं, all of them, some of them not so actively now like Karuna and all, but everybody has put this whole team together. But जय जो है बहुत क्लियर है अपने सिस्टमैटिक और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे ये चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि पहले 2-3 साल में हम सब ने एक पीस मील बना के फटाफट से उसको आगे बढ़ाया था। He has always been in favor of कि हम उसको जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरह आगे बढ़ाएं, बिकॉज ये सिर्फ वो 2 महीने का काम नहीं होता जब IPL होती है। So for those changes specifically, they look very simple, but the ideology and idea is sometimes that ये जो logo है टी-शर्ट पे ठीक नहीं है। So we have wonderful set of sponsors who have been sticking with us for the last 4 years. How does it accentuate their presence onto our team? So all those things kept in mind. क्योंकि वक्त नहीं मिल रहा था, इस साल मिला, और पिछले 2 साल से जय ट्राई कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम इसको जो है थोड़ा सा और ऑर्गेनाइजली एंड सुंदरता से करेंगे। And I think that's the reason. It's not that we've changed it, and hopefully this will stick out longer. And my personal favorite, purple to up, rahega hi. I think the future of any league in whichever sport in India is going to be besotted, going to be plagued with some issues, क्योंकि पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है, और we should somehow try to solve them instead of jumping the gun and saying कि ये गलत हो रहा है। आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है, बहुत एंटरटेनिंग प्रॉपर्टी। हम एंटरटेनर्स हैं, जूही एंड माई सेल्फ, तो हमको ये बात भी इसकी समझ आती है कि इट्स एन एंटरटेनिंग प्रपोजिशन, इट्स अ स्पोर्टिंग थिंग। सो आई थिंक द फ्यूचर इज गोइंग टू बी फैंटास्टिक। इट्स एन एक्सक्लूसिव क्लब ऑफ 9, 10, 8 members, and I think everybody is passionately involved in it. It's not just about the business part of it. This I can vouch for because we all sit together, we are all friends, and we all discuss matters. And as far as the other thing is, the redressals and their issues, I think that you'll have to ask the teams. I'm not very well aware of the reasons all this has gone to the courts, because I just about know everything about Kolkata Knight Riders when Venki tells me every week. The rest of the administrative part of other teams, I don't think I can really comment upon. I'd be very honest, I always say this, and Venki and Jay will differ, and they should, because they are both really good heads at business, and they have been looking into all those aspects of I like to say, because I'm a film actor, Julia and myself normally are at the forefront of this company, because our faces are known or recognized. But this company is run by the business acumen and the organizational skills of Jay and Venki now, and the rest of the team that has been mentioned. Having said that, I will again say this, and I can even speak on behalf of Julie, and she can second me. Both of us have had this desire because, see, we are good at certain other things. We are good at emotions and passion, that's why we are actors. And we truly, till now, believe in that aspect. So, on the right side of the ring, you have the passion and the emotion. On the left side of the ring in black suits is the business. These are the guys, we look for numbers. These are the guys who look for the smiles and the tears in this team. So, I have no other agenda for this team. I think Juhi, our children, we have no other agenda. We want to just go and play the game in the spirit of the game. And I'm not taking it away from the fact that Jay and Venki don't feel so. But they kind of keep us afloat by saying, okay, all this is all right, and you want to do it with passion, but we need to keep on working towards being able to sustain ourselves, because we are one of the only few teams which is not a public limited company and have unlimited resources. We depend on and completely are run, and mashallah to make a profit, I've been told, because of the sponsorships and all of you actually, to make our team look so wonderful in the media and everywhere else. So for me it is just about the passion, and we have to win this for Kolkata, for us, and for our passion. The business part, if you want business, these are the people. इस साल तो यूसुफ बनेगा डॉन हमारा, इसको कोई पकड़ कर दिखाए, जिस तरह को मारेगा इंशाल्लाह। लेकिन to be really honest, I think हम लोग जो है एक फैमिली जैसे हो गए और बहुत प्यार और खुशी से रहते हैं। बाहर हम आके यहाँ पे मजाक करते हैं और सबसे कैजुअली बात करते हैं, but genuinely we believe that we are working on this team, Kolkata Knight Riders, as a family, and extended beyond the borders of our own state, gone to Bengal and doing it. So a lot of love, a lot of goodness has been given to us in the last 4 years, and we really feel that we need responsible, that we really need to take it forward like one family. So there are days when Juhi behaves like the Gunda. The only person who doesn't behave like a Gunda in the whole team is Jay. सबसे अच्छा है, सबसे शरीफ है। एक बार हम साउथ अफ्रीका का मैं छोटा सा किस्सा बताया था। हम एक मैच हार गए, फिर दूसरा हार गए, फिर तीसरा हार गए, फिर समझे लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस हमको बताया गया कि चौथा नहीं हार सकते, लेकिन हम चौथा भी हार गए, फिर पांचवा भी हार गए। हम 9 मैच लगातार हार गए थे। चौथे या पांचवें मैच में जूही और मैं वहाँ से भाग गए, गोरे हो गए, हम रन छोड़कर चले गए और मैंने कहा ये हमसे नहीं देखा जाता, क्योंकि हम इमोशनल पार्ट है, तो हमसे अब नहीं देखा जा रहा, ये बेयर नहीं हो रहा। But I do remember I used to watch. I was very badly injured also during those days. I used to watch, and Jay used to hold our fort, stay there throughout the matches, held his head high, and really, I tell you, over the years, all the boys who were there in the team then, and even now, some of them coming back, they remember that till today, that he was one of the only few people who just stood by there and didn't show any गुंडागर्दी and वगैरह। हम लोग जो हैं स्पोर्ट्स के मामले में और थोड़ी जल्दबाजी करते हैं, और ये हर साल हम यही सवाल करते हैं कि पहले साल नई चीज़ थी, उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी अलग होती है, जब नई दिलवाले दुल्हनिया बनती है, फिर उसके बाद रेगुलरली बनाते रहते हैं तो फिर इतना हाइप नहीं होता है, लेकिन अच्छी चीज़ अच्छी ही होती है, एंड आई थिंक ये अच्छी चीज़ है, और इसके अंदर जो भी उतार चढ़ाव आते रहेंगे। BCCI बहुत पुरानी बॉडी है, बहुत सारे उसमें क्रिकेटिंग माइंड्स हैं, बिजनेस माइंड्स हैं, थॉटफुल लोग हैं, और वो सब कोशिश करते रहेंगे। कई बार क्योंकि नई है उनके लिए भी कुछ चीज़ें ठीक नहीं जाएंगी, कुछ ठीक जाएंगी, and I don't think from the outside, yes, whatever suggestions we have for IPL as franchise owners, there is an open forum where all of us go and discuss. कभी भी कोई भी सिचुएशन आती है, हम एक दूसरे से फ़ोन पे बात करते हैं, अभी भी हम कर रहे थे सब बार बैठ के, टीम मेंबर्स एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, टीम ओनर्स। सो आई थिंक ये चलते चलते जम चुकी है, बहुत अच्छी है, एंड बिफोर द रिलीज ऑफ IPL 5, आई थिंक please, with due respect to you and everyone who thinks that, I think it's a little too early to start saying उसका अब वो passion कम हो गया है, उसकी viewership कम हो गई है। I don't think so. If you see the figures of last year and the year before that and the year they done well, there is nothing to be assumed that this year the figures are going to be any less. And yes, it's important for the business, it's important for the entertainment, it's important for cricket actually and the league. So I think we should try and hold back and resist this temptation to write off a good thing just because it just makes better headlines at this point of time. To be really honest, this is going to sustain. It's a very exciting thing to happen, and what we should actually pray for and hope that this extends into soccer, this extends into hockey, this extends into shooting, into badminton, because that is the only way sports, with this little bit of privatization and a central controlling body, will go forward in our country. And I think that is going to happen as years go by. So let's not jump the gun and just wait with patience. Little controversies always happen. All things which are popular will always have some controversies. They all get settled. I remember there were years when we thought the IPL will not be held. It was still held in the last minute. So a lot of things have somehow been very passionately talked about of IPL, but slowly they settle down, and I think now it is settling into permanence, and it will go forward for all our sakes, for the viewers' sake and the cricket sake. There's so much tabloidism related to what the work that we do, and the unfortunate bit is that some piece is written, and then the people who write it start believing it also, and then to come back and ask us about something that does not exist is a little odd and embarrassing to answer because it did not exist in the first place. You know, it's like the smallest particle of atom they're still trying to figure out, and we still haven't. You know, so when you ask me this, I get, Juhi, all of us get a little awkward. Why they're asking this? This never is a problem, and what keeps it going is there's a lot of love, there's a lot of appreciation, respect. When I was new in the film industry, Juhi, not only as a friend, her mother, her brother, her whole family, Jay Bhai now, all of them have looked after me, and they've been very kind to me. And we are, I think, very, very close friends. And I've told her never to leave my side, even if I misbehave publicly sometimes. So she said, okay, even if you misbehave and you're not well-mannered, we'll still be nice to you. Except she's told me to cut my hair regularly and wear decent clothes when I come on public functions.